Environmental and socio-economic considerations are a key factor in determining the preferred route for the Manitoba-Minnesota Transmission Project. In fact, like all new transmission line projects, the Manitoba-Minnesota Transmission Project is subject to an extensive environmental and regulatory review and approval process. Both provincial and federal government agencies may be involved in the process. Regulatory permits and licenses required before construction can start may include a Federal National Energy Board authorization to build and operate an international power line, a federal environmental assessment by the National Energy Board under the Canadian Environmental Assessment Act of 2012, a provincial environmental review and license from Manitoba Conservation and Water Stewardship under the Manitoba Environment Act. Manitoba's Clean Environment Commission could also become involved in the licensing process at the discretion of the Minister of Conservation and Water Stewardship. The project is also part of a Needs For and Alternatives To review by the Manitoba Public Utilities Board that is assessing Manitoba Hydro's preferred development plan. To meet the requirements of these regulatory authorities, Manitoba Hydro will be conducting an environmental assessment. Like route selection, the detail of the assessment increases as the area under consideration is narrowed. At key stages throughout the process, public feedback is gathered and considered. The environmental assessment will include evaluation of environmental and socio-economic criteria, such as habitat fragmentation and proximity to residences. It will include the development of plans to monitor any residual effects during and after construction. And it will include the development of an environmental protection program that will detail the measures required to mitigate any potential effects. All of the developed documents and plans will form part of the overall environmental impact statement that will be filed with the National Energy Board and Manitoba Conservation and Water Stewardship. Construction of the project can only begin once these agencies approve Manitoba Hydro's plans. For more information or to receive ongoing email updates, visit hydro.mb.ca/projects and click on Manitoba-Minnesota Transmission Project, or contact our Environmental Licensing and Assessment Department toll-free at 1-877-343-1631.